balang araw bababa rin ako dito sa pwesto ko. Balang araw mamamatay ako. Makakalimutan rin ako ninyo. But let me leave you a message that is very important and it would spell the difference between progress and development and maybe a failed country in the end.
Ikaw yung taong nahimusgahan at kinatakutan dahil sa iyong katauhang walang iniilagan, kinilala kang